Welcome to Dad's DeFi Space. If you're new here, my name is Kevin, and I am a father, a teacher, and a DeFi investor and a trader who shares exactly what I'm doing with my own portfolio, all the wins, all the risk, all my mistakes, and all the lessons I've learned along the way. And if you appreciate real and truthful content, including all these lessons I've learned along my journey, please hit like, subscribe, and ping that notification bell and share this content with anyone who would appreciate it. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and never ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto and DeFi are so risky, you can lose all your money. So right now, you all are looking at the main page of Zora. This is my account, Dad's DeFi Space. As you can see, there's a few people streaming right now up at the top. And this is our feed with all the different creators. Labert, thank you for popping that post earlier today. And take a look at some of the favorite creators. A lot of creators will create posts. Whoever buys this, I'll buy you. So there very much is a community element when you're playing within SocialFi. Your social capital ends up, in a sense, becoming part of your market cap. So some of the tips that I could point out when you're playing within the Zora ecosystem, this is our Zora page right here, 644 followers, just under 200 following. You can pin some of your most popular and favorite posts right here. You can see the market cap. This one's under $2,000. This one's right at 1.7, right? I also throw trades up on here, but if you click over here, this is your notification button, and you can see who followed you, who's been trading you, etc. You can also use this. It will tell you who your top holders are. And these are the people who hold your token the most. Shout out to Blind Trader and Fuzzy Tater, Crypto Granny, and of course, Top NFT, 8base, Crypto Cat, and 7. But I know I forgot some of you out there, but I apologize. But if you click on market cap, it'll give you access chart. I have around 110 holders. Now, market cap is not as important as the number of holders the token has, because you want to have a lot of holders so there aren't any rug pulls of massive amounts of liquidity going out. That is why on Zora, I do believe it's usually more economical to trade with small amounts. And I think many people on here use trading bots for that reason. Now, on my holders, hold on. Now, what I wanted to really do is you can also access every token by going into the Gecko terminal. You are now looking at our DEX chart. We have been on a downtrend along with Zora because your token is paired with Zora when you create it. Now, let's talk a little bit. I didn't want to make this just about Dad's DeFi Space. And by the way, it is a good buying time though, because we have hit the floor right here, which is awesome. But for me, because this is when I like to accumulate, I want to talk about how you can accumulate more of your favorite creators and when to accumulate them. Now, the first thing is to use good research. Now, some of the best research you're going to get in this place is on Base app. Their trading interface is awesome. You can see who's trading what's trending. Your friends can share trades. It's been great building community, and well, it has improved our trades. I have a link in the description if you'd like, once I upload the revised stream, where you can join Base through our app. Now, this right here is my full creator portfolio. You can see some of my favorites within my portfolio. I love the portfolio tool on Zorbit because over here it can show you your P&L. Right now we're pretty much sitting right at even with 1,300 trades, which I know is crazy, but that's what happens on here. You can see many of these I'm up a lot, 1,000%, 20%. 124%. But if I go down to the bottom, especially when I first started, you can see some of these down here down 74%. Yeesh. Light speed is down. We'll talk about him in a minute. Some of these early ones were rug pulls. Not good, not good, not good. Now, some of these are being read wrong because I moved them out of my wallet. For some reason, it's reading it that it's not there. So I don't quite understand all that. That makes me think this number's not all right. Well, it's reading more trades, so maybe I am down right like a negative $300 loss. Anyway, I also like that it keeps track of all your trades over here in the middle. You can flag and mark and then monitor through those flags. Great thing. Now, also, I really like this. Now, I'm going to go to their pulse. They're really showing people how you can build in this space and create that flywheel. So kudos to you, sir. And other ones, as you can see here. I'm starting to see some real creators on the stream, within Zora, which is awesome, but not a lot of activity yet. I wish there would be a lot more focus on some of the smaller creators who are really showing longevity. I think that would be awesome to add, and I'd love maybe to integrate someone like that into a live stream. Anyway, the market post also shows you where the top volume is in the middle. Okay. It shows the total market cap, where the biggest posts and tokens are. Basis for everyone is one of the biggest. I love bringing this one up. Don't have much of it, but that's okay. Right. You can also go into Zora and look at all the different tokens here. This is amazing. I love it. And an excellent research tool. Now, over here, you can also put in charts, some of your favorites, just by adding contract addresses like this. You can watch 4 charts or so at a time. You can also look at top content, top creators, and you can create your own watch list. This is my watch list right here. You can add a trading panel. It's really cool. I like this. I need to get a bigger monitor, and we can trade some creator tokens. Also, in their tool list, you can airdrop tokens to your holders, do advanced airdrops, create a vesting schedule, burn tokens, which I definitely would keep record of that to show my community, and etc. So the final thing I wanted to talk about before I get into my VFAT portfolio is methods on Zora that work. Now, a lot of people don't realize that a token on Zora, right? Your creator token, this is mine, gets paired with Zora. So whenever trades happen, it's being traded with Zora. And then there can be some other liquidity pools out there that have been created by others or yourself, right? And all the DEFI trades are being routed to whichever is the cheapest route at that moment. Now, what's interesting about this is the posts that you make are not your creator token in Zora. They are the post paired with the creator token, which the creator token is paired with Zora. So you really should consider your creator token like a layer 1. It is similar to a layer 1 blockchain, okay? And that layer 1 blockchain has tokens on it, meme tokens, DAO tokens, DeFi tokens, whatever, it doesn't matter. SocialFi tokens, right? Now, what's interesting is these are the beta plays on your layer 1, layer 1 being your creator token, right? So when you have ones that are performing real well, like this one, not performing well, market cap's down, all-time high was $500. Purchase a little bit, right? I can purchase by clicking buy, USDC, do 25%, just 95 cents, purchase, boom, done. And this was a stream video that I created. It was snowing a few weeks back, and got some good stuff on there. Anyway, and you can see that the market cap started to increase. Well, when we accumulate one and that token is doing really well, performing better than the creator token itself, you can swap or trade the post back into the creator token. Like this one right here is doing absolutely awesome for me, right? So we could sell, say, $2 of this token, right? And then I would trade it back into my own creator token, and we'll buy a little bit more, like $2.50. We got to wait for the trade to happen. I have no money in my wallet right now. So hopefully it's happened. Yeah. Not really. There was a lot of slippage on that trade. Oof, almost $1. That's crazy. So on Zora, you do need to be careful about slippage. There's going to be a lot of slippage in the downtrending market. I have found that I actually am saving almost a little bit more trading on the base app, which I do. But if you rotate at the right times between a creator's posts and their token, you can accumulate more of that token. And then when that token is performing better than Zora, you can swap into Zora. And then when Zora's doing better, you can swap into USDC, and that is the Zora flywheel. I hope that that helps some of you all see that it's more, you can do more in Zora than just hold the token. You can also trade within that creator economy ecosystem and not really affect their market cap that much, which is, was a revelation to me just over the last week. So I hope that you all take some great information from this part of the stream. And we're going to move into our last section, which is our VFAT portfolio. So if this helps you, please drop a comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss my next moves. Join our free Telegram group or check us out at DADSDEFISPACE.org. Help support the channel by checking out our links, non-KYC exchange, Blowfin, and Weeks. That is what I trade on. And stay tuned. I'm going to be releasing a video on Aster in the near future. Hope each of you enjoy the rest of your day. And I want to thank you for taking some time out to help support my channel and my mission. Go find us over at Dad's DeFi Space on X at CryptoZone1013. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay strong out there. Touch some grass. Peace.